Ever wondered who is building the future, one brick at a time? Today, we introduce you to Erima Construction, the master craftsman of the construction world. Erima Construction is not your average construction company. Based in the heart of Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India, they are the architects of dreams. From the seedling of an idea to the final brick, they are there, ensuring your vision takes shape in the most spectacular way possible. Their services cover a vast spectrum, catering to every conceivable construction need. Whether it's commercial or residential construction, they have their hard hats ready. But their expertise doesn't stop there. They are also seasoned veterans in the field of engineering and project management. From conceptualization to execution, each project is a symphony of meticulous planning and precise execution. Commercial, residential, or industrial, every project is welcomed with the same dedication and professionalism. With a keen eye for detail, they transform blueprints into reality, creating structures that are not only visually stunning, but also robust and sustainable. What makes Erima Construction stand out is their unwavering commitment to quality. They believe in getting it right the first time. Every brick laid, every beam installed, every wall painted is done with the utmost care and precision. They understand that construction is not just about building structures, but about creating spaces where dreams can thrive. Safety isn't just a buzzword for Erima Construction, it's a way of life. With stringent safety measures in place, they ensure that every project is carried out without a hitch. They are firm believers in the adage, "A safe work site is a productive work site." They bring to the table an impressive array of knowledge and expertise, constantly pushing the envelope to develop innovative solutions. They don't just meet expectations, they exceed them. Their drive to deliver nothing but the best is what sets them apart in the bustling construction landscape. Erima Construction is more than just a construction company. They are the builders of dreams, the creators of the future. Their services, expertise, and commitment to quality are the foundation upon which they construct not just buildings, but legacies. So remember, when you think construction, think Erima.